And we are in front of this Dreamer but Rapido Campervan XL Limited. And actually this is campervan that I really like, with a new interesting feature, the drop-down bed. The price for this model is 88,370 in euros, and this is the actual complete specs. You can pause the video and check the specs. Starting price for 74,100. Let's go inside and check actual features. Let's bump up the lights. So this is actually the modularity of the seats, and actually shown what's inside. And they're pretty actually on a good size. Sink with 2-burner stove. 3 cabinets. They're locked. Sorry, there should be an unlock button. Yep. Has an unlock button for all 3 cabinets. Pretty spacious. Whoa. And then from this side we have the actual Dometic fridge. It's kind of hard to go there side. Then we have the drop-down bed coming from the part of this Dreamer van. Another great feature, the sky roof mounted, so we have a big opening without getting anything in front. Let's have a look from the front side. Lower the exposure a little bit. Pretty nice design and actual color. This is the 640 meter one. And then going into the back, the actual sleeping space for the back bed. Long and pretty deep cabinets all around. And after that, we have the measurement check. 1.367 from this side, 1.352 from this side. Let's check from the widest part. 1.922. And the garage is deep. 1.272 with actual wideness. 0.877. Actual removable section parts. And this is the actual part where you should be storing the actual gas bottle. Oh yeah, that's place for 2 big gas bottles, 10 liter. Closing off this part and closing off this part. Let's go another time from the outside. Get the actual specs. And finally, the actual visual of this Dreamer Campervan XL Limited.